Hey guys, yeah. Well, I got exciting news. I didn't know I was going to do this anyways, but now I know that I'm going to do it. I'm going to a shooting range. I'm going to learn more about guns, and I'm going to have the experience to shoot a couple of them. So, yep. For my first time, I'm going to be shooting guns, and I'm going to the shooting range. It's going to be fun. I don't know how to shoot. Basically, I never have a gun. It's going to be kind of like hectic. So, I don't know. Wish me luck, guys. For those who knows how to shoot, give me some tips, cause I don't know nothing. I will be there with a couple experts, so they will teach me some stuff. And this is outside the box, so it's something new for me. I never done before, so I hope everything's going to be okay. Well, guys, I'm going to shoot a 9mm. I don't know how it's going to feel in my hands. I don't have no clue what I'm doing basically, but wish me luck. I'm going to do my best to record. I'm going to ask if I can record or not first, and then go from there. So yep, I'm going to see you up there. Let me see if I can record inside first and all the stuff, and then you guys will hear everything. So I'm not going to be talking too much anyways. I'm going to learn, and I'm going to see different stuff. So see you down there.
Remember, keep finger up there. Good job. Good. Good. That's all I want to say. That's a good job.
Guys, that was fun. I shot about 4 guns, I believe. 5, 4, I guess 4. So there, some of them it was kind of like hard to have a good grip, but the other ones it was like in there, really nice, on point and everything. It was really cool, man. I never experienced something like that. Now I do. Fun though, fun, and it was nice, you know. And I showed the guy who showed me what is to shoot and everything in there. And yeah, actually, I did pretty good, I guess. He said that I did really well, that I was all the time on target. I'm like, maybe. So yeah, it was really nice. So I probably end up editing that together a little bit. Try to low down the volume. It was a lot of people in there. It was a lot of shooting. It's really loud inside there. I got it anyway. I got earplugs and other stuff in there, guys. But it's still loud. It's still really, really loud. It was so hard. Really, really, really loud. But I get to it. I get the hang of it. Actually, yeah. It was, I guess if I can train better and everything, I will be able to shoot better. But it was fun though. It was fun. Let me stop right here on the Yamaha. Man, too many cars. There's a lot of people cleaning their cars today. Alright, I'm about to stop right here on the Yamaha. Hit you back, guys, in a minute.